Okay, I am doing a opening, or I already opened it, but I guess a review of the Pro Pack 2 FLX-20. I just got it today from Shields for $550. It's got the DD100 in there, got the tackle box. Doesn't have an LCD screen, but it still's got the 3-color flashers. Came with a battery as well, with a transducer. I think it's a 12-degree deucer. I don't know what else really talking about for this piece of here. You can read it, but it says, I think the biggest thing to take away is that the target ID is less than a half an inch. So even those tiny perch from every other body of water that's out there will be detectable if you want to detect them. Let's see here. Yeah, pretty much straightforward. I like about this is for people that have never fished with a flasher before. They have this image to show kind of how to read it. Inside, it came with the accessories like the charger that I actually have charging right now. It came with a tackle box, the deucer float. Came with some product guides. See here in the owner's manual. Owner's manual has the warranty in there, so it's got a 2-year warranty. That's factory warranty. It's not the Shields. Put this box back. This has a bunch of other Vexilar items here. Maybe in the future I'll get the soft pack, but I don't know. Maybe next season. But this is the unit right here. It's got a pretty big, I don't know, face. I'll take this charger off, turn it on. It's pretty quiet. All this stuff here I haven't played with yet because I haven't taken it out in the field, but it's got low power mode, normal, zoom. If you push this button in, you get night mode, low power mode. That's what LP stands for. This goes up all the way to, I guess, 100 feet. I'll never ever have to use that. Up here, the DD100 shows the maximum depth, and then also I think if you push the button, it'll tell you the battery is at 100%. Turn this off. And this is where the battery and the deucers enclosed or held. It does have a little rod holder, swings out, in and out. It's got the standard Vexilar hook thing here too. I think I might like the arm more from the Markham, but we'll see how that works. I had a Markham VX1 that I had sold, and it was time for something new. But hopefully we can test it out soon here. This is the FLX-20 and Pro Pack 2, and thanks for watching.